Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevrolet Cruze and I will show you how to replace the high beam and low beam light bulbs. This video will apply to first generation of Chevy Cruzes made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. Now on these vehicles it's very easy actually to reach the headlight light bulbs. This one right here, this will be your high beam and the low beam lamp, so it's the same one for both of those. And to remove it from the headlight assembly, all you have to do, you have to turn this complete socket counterclockwise. You'll have two of these black tabs here. Just grab it and turn it and pull it straight out. Okay. Now once you have the bulb out, then you'll just have to disconnect it, and to do that first you'll have to remove this gray security tab. Now I will explain you how to do that. So pretty much you just have to leave this green tab above this small insert right here, and the best tool would be just a flat screwdriver. I can't really record it because I have to use both of my hands. You just want to lift this green piece up and then pull this security tab off. Okay, I just helped myself with a screwdriver, and now as you can see I can completely remove this tab. And once you do that, now you can easily just press this tab and disconnect the light bulb. And that's it. Very easy to do on this vehicle. Other side, the driver's side, it's completely the same. It's a bit less space to work with the hand, but again plenty just to turn this and pull it out. So I will not be showing you how to do it because the process is completely the same. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.